Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming backups and free space so you don't lose files. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. This shows what's using storage. Once done, select Manage Storage and tap iCloud Drive to see app-specific data and documents. You're doing this to remove synced files that occupy local phone storage but may remain in iCloud. Make sure important documents are backed up elsewhere. Now that you can view iCloud Drive contents, you're ready to remove what you don't need. You'll remove files from iCloud Drive itself so they stop taking local cached space. Tap Files or iCloud Drive in the Files app, locate folders or documents, then use Select or Swipe Left to delete. This removes them from iCloud and synced phones. Make sure to check app-specific iCloud settings for data not in files. Once you delete, open Recently Deleted and choose Delete All to immediately free storage. Otherwise, items linger for 30 days and still count against your quota. You finish by preventing future syncing. Go back to Settings Your Name iCloud and toggle off iCloud Drive. When iOS asks, decide whether to keep local copies on the phone or remove them. Choose Remove to free space immediately. Make sure other devices won't need those files first. If something goes wrong, you can't delete or changes, don't apply, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in, or reboot the phone. That typically clears stuck sync states and updates storage accounting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.